I'm going to show you how to set up a Hermes agent with its own email address and a phone number for calling and texting. This will literally take 1 minute and you don't need a single third-party API key or account to get started. For the necessary infra, we'll use Inkbox on top of the base Hermes agent. Here I have the Inkbox forked Hermes agent repo, from where I'll copy the installation command and paste it into my terminal. After the installation, I'll select Codex as the LLM provider and the rest of the default settings for the agent. Now for the messaging platform, I'll be using Inkbox. I don't have an API key, so I'll need to put in my email. I want to call this agent Inkbox Marketing Agent, so I'll give that as the agent handle, and the same for the email address. Right away, I get an email with the code I need to verify the agent. So I'll go ahead and paste that code here. Great. For the next step, I'll need to provision a phone number. In order to receive text messages from the agent, I'll need to opt in with this start command. The rest of the setup is about launching the gateway server. This wakes the agent up anytime that a new notification comes in across any of these communication channels. And now it's time to test our agent. Hi, can you tell me who you are? Great, it looks like the Inkbox Hermes agent is live. I'll also want it to save my contact so that it knows who I am. Cool. And now let's test out the phone call. Hello?
Hi, Dima. It's Hermes calling back because you asked me to call.
Great. Can you send me an email verifying that the Inkbox Hermes setup is correct and working?
Yes. After we hang up, I'll email you a confirmation.
Cool, thank you. And here's the email that the agent just sent me. I can also go to the Inkbox console to see all the agent's texts, emails, and calls. Here I can see the agent made my contact. And if I want to limit who can reach out to my agent, I can also set up these contact rules. Instead of wasting your time hacking together all of these services, just use Inkbox. It takes a minute to set up and it's super easy to use.